Thokozani mkhulu tablamanzi here. Thokozani bogogo, thokozani bomkhulu, thokozani kinonke lenibukela this video. Okay, how do you know ukuthi umuthi awukusebenteli? How do you know ukuthi umuthi is not the cause of all your problems? How do you know ukuthi kahle kahle yonke into le ihlangahlanganako empilweni yakho ingalungiseki kungenxa yalo muthi lo usebenzisako? Thokozani bogogo, thokozani bomkhulu. Okay, let's get to the video. So those of you that are new here and do not know me, my name is Mkhulu Dablamanzi Insizwa Matebula. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell on your right, I think. Thokozani. All right. How do you know ukuthi umuthi awukusebenteli? Like, how do you know? How? Okay. Now ufuna kwathi ukuthi umuthi awukusebenteli. Let's say, for instance, you go and consult and then they give you umuthi to use, or maybe you go and collect that umuthi, and then when you come back uyawusebenzisa lo muthi. Now usebenzisa lo muthi, you find that kuthi instead yokuthi ma problems akho asolveke, they get worse. Kuyahlangahlangana empilweni yakho more than it was, uyabona, like tinto nje tiba mnyama kakhulu. And then another thing, say maybe, okay fine, uyawulanza lo muthi, nawulanzile uyabuya uyawubeka. Say maybe uyawuphahlela kuqala before usebenzisa, or maybe you need to pray about it. You pray about it, uyawuphahlela, and then uyatitshela ukuthi okay, I'm gonna use this after 3 days, or maybe ngelanga leliso so. And then when lelanga lifika, you find that kuthi uyakhohlwa, uyawukhohlwa total ukuthi kambe kunemuthi lo fanele usebenzise and what not. Uyawukhohlwa vele totally. Uthola ukuthi lo muthi wakhona na uyawuthola maybe after a year, or maybe after 6 months, or after 2 months. So those are some of the signs to know ukuthi umuthi awukusebenteli. And then another thing is that uyawuthatha lo muthi ne, nawuthathile uyabuya nawo, nawubuya nawo still uyawukhohlwa, uyahlala wherever la ubeke khona. And then the day you remember ukuthi hayi man, kambe I was supposed to do this and this and that to solve my problems, and I have actually bought this and that. So when you go and check ukuthi lo muthi usasekhona ngiwubeke kuphi, uyawusesha, sometimes you don't even remember ukuthi ubeke kuphi, utosesha ungawutholi. That is another sign yokuthi muthi awukufuni and awukusebenteli. And then another thing is that lo muthi loyo uyawukhohlwa ne, nawukhohliwe the day uyawuthola sowufuna kuwusebenzisa, uyothola ukuthi sowubolile nje, so change color, so now that fungi whatever, like ubolile vela usasebenzi. So those are some signs that you need to take into consideration ukuthi yatini, this thing is actually not for me. And then another thing to know and to check when it comes to umuthi is that not good to sometimes umuthi awukusebenteli. The thing is that how can I put it, some of you need cleansing first. Udzinga ukuyongeniswa emfuleni before kungasebenziswa umuthi, or before wena ungasebenzisa umuthi empilweni yakho. So some of you jump on my steps and then you look for an easier way out. So instead of yokuthi ubhatale maybe 1.2 yokuthi ungeniswe emandini ugeze ngani and whatever, when you think the best option ukuthi let me just save up, let me buy whatever swasho lesiyana lengisibonile kumbe lo muthi loyana wa 250 or 350 to save up. So that's another problem to check empilweni yakho ukuthi it's not because muthi awusebenzi, but because you are trying to find an easier way out. Kani insebenzo yakho leyifunakalako ukuthi uqaliswe emandini kuqala. Uqaliswe emandini, ukhulume netidalwa takini, nawe ukhulume nato, and then ucela ukuthi whatever that you're going to do kube nemandla kusebenze empilweni yakho. So you just can't be doing things on your own without consulting abantu abadala. So guys, please checkani ukuthi kahle kahle etimpilweni tenu kuyendakalani before utothi umuthi awukusebenteli. And some of you please note ukuthi vele nawe emadlota akho awufuni umuthi totally, awufuni umuthi. And then there's another thing ukuthi some of you umuthi lebawufunako, there's a particular person that you need to get umuthi wakho kuye. Not everyone fanele akunike umuthi. There's a particular person. Now your spirit is gonna tell you, no man, this person actually can like give me umuthi and then ungisebentele. So not everyone fanele akunike umuthi usebentise. So you need to also check that, because kuyahlupa, it's not easy. And then yeah, some of you vele emadlotenu umuthi abawufuni totally, abawufuni. So please check the signs ukuthi usebendelwa yini awusebendelwi yini. And remember, before you do anything, cela tukamadloti akho, khuluma nabo before usebenzisa something. Icelele, khuluma nabo before you go somewhere, khuluma nabo ngiyanicela, because some of you, it's not that tindo atinisebenteli, but because anzange nabatshela labantu abadala before you went to consult somewhere, or before you went to get cleansing or something. It's not that lo muntu loyo akasebenzi or something.